Model, 2016 Ford Transit 2.2TDCi 125PS 350 L2H3 rear-wheel drive. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 110716. MOT, the 28th of January 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.212PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in amazing condition for the age and mileage. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition with loads of life left in it. Overall, with a bit of mechanical TLC, you will have genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.